Hello guys, so welcome back to my vlog, vlog about my life in my 20s living with my parents. So anyways guys, this is my room. By the way, this is my room and my living setup. So this is where I and also this is my room. We got PlayStation, my PlayStation 4 games, of course my Funko Pops with the WWE, and my PlayStation 3 games. There's a box that's the mini WWE Championship when the WWE went here in Manila back in 2019 before the pandemic hit. And yeah, I have the box of PlayStation 4. That's what inside the box is a PlayStation 3 and a PS2. So yeah, this is my room. See, my room is clean. It's my TV, my PS4, and my PS5. So yeah, so this is my daily routine. Like I go up in my bed, go onto my computer, listen to some music, play some video games, and all that's it. So yeah, this is my room. See, this is my streaming setup. So if you like this video, chat, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more vlogging in my life in my 20s, living with my parents, and for more and wrestling and gaming contents, chat. So yeah, I hope you guys love my room tour. This is the very first that I vlog about my room tour and my life in my 20s living with my parents. So yeah, that's it guys. Subscribe for more contents. Peace out.